So, hello and namaste to everyone. Hope everyone is doing really fine, and I'm doing amazing as well. So, today's video is going to be only in English language because I'm going to speak English language in the entire video with my friends in the classroom, with my teachers, and with everyone else. So, let us see what will be their reactions and how they will react. I'm going to irritate each and every one of them. So, I'll try my best to speak in English language and try to make this video as much amazing as is always. So, guys, let us see what happened throughout the whole day. And there is something twisted coming in the video, so watch till the end. And I hope today's video is going to be so much amazing with my classmates, with myself. Okay, let's go. First of all, I think I need to go to my brother's school because he said he needs some help from me, and actually that is my old school. So let us go first there, then in the college, and then coming home. Okay, let's go first my brother's school. Okay, and he said that he need to print out some documents, so I need to go to the shop I first, I guess. I hope, please don't judge me because of my English, okay? My English will be broken English. It doesn't matter, okay? My it doesn't matter at all. It will doesn't matter at all, okay? So let us go. So guys, let us put our topi first because I didn't bring my scarf today. So I need to wear this cap to save myself from burning my skin and creating any face disease. So how do I look? Okay, then let's go. And as you all know, I have my this bike and I need to ride it just right now. And actually, time is already. I'm already late. You know that. You know Radhika, right? She won't be in time no matter what. It's 30. No, you can't see. It's 9:33, and I'm still here. And I need to go to my brother's school, then to the college. Okay, then let's go. Guys, this is exactly where I need to departure. Actually, this is the way for my college, and this is the way that I need to go to my brother's school. So right now I call my principal sir, not my, but my past principal sir. I call my principal sir that I'm really busy right now, sir. I need to go to college, and is it compulsory that I need to bring the document today? Then he said that okay, you have to bring two documents tomorrow if you are not able to bring it today. So rather than going this way, is it looking? Yeah, I am going to that way. So I will be going to my college right now rather than going to my brother's school. So guys, let us go to the college because I'm already late and I'm trying my best to get to there as soon as possible. Okay, so let us go there first. So you can see guys, this is the area. This is the main road where I go to college. I go through this path every day in our areas. Cycles are the best. Yes, cycles are the best. They are superheroes for us. Say hi. Actually, she's our friend. Like she was my 10th class friend, and we are still in touch. Luckily, I found her right now. Yeah, I'm so happy to see her, but I couldn't talk because I was already being late for my class. So I will definitely say her hello and hug her when I see her next time because she is amazing. Yeah, she is really a good friend of mine. So guys, let us go. I need to stop my camera right now because if I will stick this camera on my hand and ride a cycle with one hand, then I'm definitely gonna trip myself and gonna do accident of myself and other as well. This is Shiv Mandir, guys. And here I took the left turn like from this way to this way because this is the easiest way. Like you can say the short one, and you will not find so many road of kings like this here. But why is it just moving this way? So this is the peaceful area, and this is the best place, like greeny everywhere and so good. Guys, I wish I could have that bicycle, that scooty. I don't have to ride so much long distance in my cycle, having sweaty. I would love. This is again the most peaceful place in my list, you know. I don't know this guy.
Y ahora mi corazón late por ti. Estamos en la playa, se nos hace de noche, no se quita la gana, ya no importa que se noten, no pasamos la raya, el límite no existe.
So you know everyone, this is the gate of my college, and I'm really supposed to say hi.
Speak in English. I don't mean to say that.
Say English. Broken. Broke.
Yes.
Not broken. Not broke. So guys, right now our teacher in the class, and we have to study. Yes. Listen guys, she is Babita, and she said that she is gonna be very early today because we are going to make a video. But just tell me, where the hell are you, bro? You are so late, you know. I'm looking beautiful, guys. No, I'm asking you, like, where was you? Where was you? You were so late in the class, and I was waiting for you outside, and just thinking that Babita will come. Sometimes she will come fast, but you are not. So where are you? What are you doing when you were being ready? No, just see in English, bro. Sing in English. No. Where are you? Just tell me. What you are doing in the morning? Just tell me fast. Sir is coming. What are you doing? Eating? No. Coming to school? Writing. Writing a letter. Where is sir? Where is sir? Guys. Why is your one entry button and another is not button? In my mind, a lot of words in English, but I don't know how to speak. यति त भन्दैछु यति नै आना हैन अब त भन्ने हैन जाऊ ए त फेरि इंग्लिश है हेर मेरो इंग्लिश दुश्मन हो सुमा सक्ने in my mind a lot of words in English. Yes. I know all the vocabulary. Yes. But I don't know how to speak properly. Yes, wow. I will teach you how to speak English. You have to just practice every day, bro. Thank you. This lecture is enough, Arana. Dimo, why are you looking sad today? You didn't speak a single word. Just tell me something, yaar. My video is incomplete without you. Just say something. Just single word. No, I said you are not sad, but say a single word. Yes, whatever the English word you can say. Just tell me one sentence. Her exam is tomorrow. But she can't go. That's why she's so sad. Oh, yeah. English, whatever the word you get, just a single word.
Genius. एउटा word मात्र
Genius.
Yes.
Genius. All right. He got only one word, that is genius. So I'm going over. Guys, Pratima, yeah, where are you? I was searching for you. Guys, today we are making an English video challenge. So she is our class representative, and I'm what I
English, yeah. I'm Sita, your English.
This is broken English, yaar, bro. Whatever the word you know, just tell me. Oi, did you bring the assignment of thermo?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Yes.
Yeah. Then I was thinking like you look so pretty today. What you have done? Did you do your facials, makeup, or something else?
Nothing, man. Uthing and Sita book going college.
Oh, I love that English, bro. I love your English. Speaking your real language.
मलाई इंग्लिश आउने म आइसक्यो गरेर विदेश पुगिसकेको यहाँ थोरै पर्थ्यो
यस्तो गरेर तिमीलाई जो वर्ड थाहा छ नि त्यही भन कि
मलाई के थाहै छैन
So guys, our class is going to be there and we are the one who are going very fast because we don't want to be sit in the last bench. If we sit there, then I will not see then I will not see anything else. And because our classmates are so tall, so we are short one, and it's create a big problem when we just couldn't see from in front seat. That's why we need to sit there. She said second bench, so we are in the second bench right now. Guys, this is the interval time, so we should go counting. So guys, this is the interval time and we are finally going to have our snacks. Ask again. Ask again. Ask again. Ask again. Ask again. Just say in English, otherwise eating. Yes. Where is Bimla? It was delicious. Wow, what a great English. What's your problem, bro? Do you have any problem? Just speak in English only, okay? Thank you. Thanks for liking me. I like myself too. Just Babita, just describe the sun. Describe the sun. How is the sun? So guys, it is so hot outside and we are going to have a breakfast. Actually, in the classroom, something really weird happened, When I was making the video, one of our classmates, when I was turning this camera in front of him, he was just, joining his two hands. And so, guys, when I was just making the video and he was joining his two hands, and it just made me feel guilty from the bottom of my heart, it just made me feel, I was thinking for a whole period, like, what the hell have I done to him? I was just asking him, either he wanna make video or not, because when I was just making video of myself, I thought that maybe somebody wants to capture their memories as well, be love to being in the cameras as well, but that went wrong, it just made me so sad. So right now, before I just came to here, I asked all of my classmates like whether they want to be in the video or not, because I don't want to feel this moment, I don't want to face this moments again in my life while making the videos. Definitely I'm gonna make each and every day videos, because while me being in this college for 4 years, so guys, this happened today and it's not that bad, right? So the guys, next time while being in the video, you have to remember some beautiful sentence, okay? That's why.
Next time, chat GPT, what is going on?
Just say in English. Say in English. Just please say, Babita. La. I'm so waiting.
Next time, I will speak every word in chat.
Teacher, you will learn. Next time she says she will learn each and every word. Next time she will learn each and every word from ChatGPT so that she could speak fluently while making the video. She was saying that. You know, there is one of our classmates who don't even know his. Okay.
नाम पेटवाल मोगलागी रिपेयर खाना खाने में नाम
So you know, one of our classmates said that he don't even know the name of a friend who sit always in front of her, you know, and it was Babita. She was Babita, you know. When we asked, when we asked,
It feel like real actress.
wow, such a great English word, yaar. Just say again.
बड़ा छुट्टी आया एक कोई जुटी.
What are you doing, Billa?
No.
Yes, English.
Drinking water बोलो ना सीधा.
Drinking water. Guys, we are finally in our canteen, and what do you wanna eat, guys? I left already eating those food. Okay. Left. Say in English. What is Vinchiplag in English? Say in English. So, what do you wanna eat, guys? What do you wanna eat? Samosa. Samosa. Favorite samosa. Samosa, uncle, samosa. Am I eating too? You are eating. We need more achar. Say, Babita, we need more achar. We need more achar. We need more achar.
चटनी
Say.
उठना
Thank you.
बनाई थी नहीं.
Nah, just get. Guys, we got our samosa here. Guys, this is samosa. Eating this, guys. Oh, ये roasted chana खाए ना? No, it's English only English. Say.
Already finished.
Already finished. Very good.
Tiffin बंदा है क्यों उधर Tiffin.
Babita, have you samosa? Have you samosa, Bimala? Very good. What do you call piro? What do you call piro? What do you call piro? Yes. Chili what? More or less?
More. तुम संग डेरा छाड्नु पर्यो इंग्लिश सिक्नु पर्यो यार.
Just speak English with me every day like I did. Just copy me some word. That's it.
गरे कल त उठाउनु तिमी. हैन त्यसमै नि हामी बोलिरा हुन्छ.
Yes. Guys, it's good. It is good, right?
आज म सेट देखाएर
Yes.
देखाछु.
Uncle, speak in English.
No.
Wow! No English. Wow, uncle. Only totally. Wow. Uncle, do you speak English? She's hungry, Angel. You know, hungriest one in group. She ate one samosa already and asking for another one. Yeah. Somebody is saying that I'm vlogging all the time. I don't even know that what's the problem of these people. Yeah. Say something. Yes.
हाम्रो मोबाइल
Yes.
हामी ब्लग गर्दै.
Yes.
हाम्रो मुख हामी बोल्दै छ.
Yes.
तिनीहरुले प्रब्लम दिन्छ भने
Yeah, what's the problem?
leave it. यस्तो गर्नु यार leave it.
Oh man.
This is called business.
Business. She taken my 5 rupees. You know, we have eaten samosa of 20 rupees. I gave her 30 rupees, and she has taken my 5 rupees. Guys, this is not fair. Yeah, you businesswoman, huh?
It's called business.
She has taken 5 rupees from her, right? Did she taken 5 rupees from you? No. Oh, she is only taking my rupees. Yes. Guys, you are actually doing your business. I see now. I see you are really doing your business. We had our breakfast. Breakfast? Is it breakfast or snacks? Only snacks, right? Yeah. We had our snacks and guys, 10 minutes already late. Oh God, we are already 10 minutes late. ChatGPT. You learn. What did you learn? Just say it. What did you learn? So now I learned from ChatGPT. What did you learn? How was my day? Yeah, how was your day? I'm asking you the same exact question. Then how was your day? Wake up like a champ. Yeah. And quite like snack loving ninja. Yeah. Drive eating, dream and chill vibes. Wow. Your English, yes, you did really learn from ChatGPT. So guys, finally we are going home and this is our class I have shown you. Actually, we are in second floor. This is not exactly our class. Our class is in on second grade, I guess. Second floor, I mean. So right now we are going home and there is no one in the class. We are the one. We are the one left out. We are the only one who are in the class right now. So everyone has left already. But we have to do something in the library, right? We're gonna bring that English book, right? Right, Bimla? Yeah. Just say, Bimla, why are we going to the library? I don't know. Hello, sir. Time. So, we need book. Then can you write a video here? Can you write a video? Wow, thank you so much, sir. Just for my YouTube channel. Thank you. Yes. Actually, sir, we are making a video challenge speaking only in English language. So, thank you for letting us in the library. So guys, yes, oh, we are in the library right now and the sir give us information to make video inside the library. So guys, finally, I'd like to thank to our teachers for letting us in. Hey, did you get the video? Oh, this is our English book. It's Cambridge Academic English Students Book. Now, Babita, can you pronounce this word for me? Cambridge Academic English. Is the mic on or off? Yeah, it is on. Yeah, Cambridge Academic English. Yes. Integrated skills course. Integrated. Sir, can you just put this number on that our account? Yeah, exactly. Okay, ma'am. We are not forcing anyone to be in the video. Thank you. Yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, no, it is a way to say politely. So here is ma'am searching my YouTube channel. It's Radhika Kumal. Ma'am, you have to make that typing in English. I need both. So my roll number is 37. Yes. Exactly. Yes. Actually, ma'am is surely subscribing my channel. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show you? Can I show you, ma'am? Okay, I'm just showing your body, not your face. Okay. Sir, can I show you? No. No, you said that I can show you anytime if I want to, right? Okay. Sir, you look so handsome today. Yes. Sir, are you always this handsome? Oh, man. Guys, actually, we had a long talk with our teacher, and our teachers are teaching like what you wanna do in the future when you are speaking English. Do you wanna go in foreign, or you don't wanna stay in Nepal? So there are so many things our teachers are asking with us, and what did they say? Like, what is my aim for making this video, and why am I making this video in English language? Or there are so many things that the teacher asked us, and I was like, is he interviewing me? There are so many questions he has asked me, and yeah, he gave me so much good blessing as well. So guys, this is us, and we're going home. Actually, our classes. Yeah, no. Actually, our classes has finished. And do you get the bottom? Yeah. मैले मेरो टिकटक आइडी दिया हुयो भने मेरो किन त फ्लावर भन्नु So everyone, I am in the parking lot right now. I have to take my cycle as well. And I think I have to stop my video right here because I'm going home. I can't just make video handling this camera. Okay, now we are going home. That's it. Yes. Bye bye. Then have a nice day. Have a great day. See you in next video.